Hi everyone, today we're looking at rounded numbers to a million. I'm going to talk us through one of the guided practice questions and then I'm going to have a go at solving one of the reasoning ones you were given today. Our original number is 450,985. So if I'm going to round to the nearest 10, which column am I going to focus my attention on? Good, the ones, and there's 5. 5 rounds up, so it's 450,990. Rounding to the nearest 100, which column am I going to focus my attention on? Good, the tens, 8. 8 rounds up. But I've got 900, so I can't round it up to 10. So I'm going to have to add my number to the thousands. Because I couldn't say 450,185. That's not a number. So it needs to be renamed and regrouped to the thousand column. Rounding to the nearest thousand, I'm going to look at the hundreds. I've got 900s and obviously 9 rounds up. So again, it's going to be 451,000. Nearest 10,000. So I'm going to look this time at which column rounded to the 10,000. Good, the thousands. This time it's a 0, and as we know, 0 rounds down, so it's going to be 450,000. Funnily enough, that answer is actually smaller than the previous one. And then rounding to the nearest 100,000, which column will I focus my attention on? Good. 10,000s. I've got 5 10,000s, and we know 5 rounds up, so the closest 100,000 is going to be 500,000s, like that. So just pause the video if you need, check your answers were correct, I'm sure they were. And now I'm going to have a look at this question here. So it's the difference between two 3-digit numbers is 2. So that means that the number of numbers between them is 2. So it's going to be close together. However, when each number is rounded to the nearest 1,000, the difference between them is 1,000. What could those numbers be? So I'm going to jot some important information down. So it's going to have to be 3-digit numbers and 2 is their difference. And basically, 1 rounds up, 1 rounds down to the nearest 1,000. Bit scruffy right now, but I'll try to write it nice and fast. So it's 3-digit numbers, so it's 100 numbers. 2 is their different, 1 rounds up and 1 rounds down. So basically we know 1 is going to round to 0 and 1 is going to round to 1,000 because 1 rounds up and 1 rounds down, because the difference is going to be 1,000 when you round them. So I could try and be quite crafty and go, oh, I think the number might be 111 and then this one's 999. Because that one rounds there, and that one rounds there. It does tick this box, it ticked this box, but their difference isn't 2. Their difference isn't 2. So I need to think of a number that's very close together, but does round up and does round down. So it's going to be somewhere quite near the middle. In the middle of these numbers is what? What's in the middle? Good. Hope you thought of 500 there. Now, would 500 round up or down? Good, it would round up. So 500 would round up. So I need to think of a 3-digit number, not 4, 3-digit number, which is gonna round down and is 2 different to this one. So let's have a think of what's 2 digits less than that one. It's 498. If I rounded 498 to the nearest 500, to the nearest 1,000, it would round down. So have a look at my numbers now. Have I ticked off all the criteria? Have I got two 3-digit numbers? Yes. Is there difference 2? Yeah. Does one round up? It does. And does one round down? It does. There is one other possible answer. See if you can figure it out and send it to your Teacher on Dojo and you'll get awarded some points. Good luck.